Alright, welcome back guys. I remain Benjamin, and don't forget, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, drop your comments. Alright, so on the board we have molecular weight and formula weight, and I'm going to be showing you how to find the molecular weight of a compound. Alright, we have magnesium chloride here. Now magnesium is given as 24.31. Then chlorine, it is di, which is 2. So we are having 35.45. Since it is 2 here, we are multiplying it by 2. So we are having 70.9 approximately. Alright, to find the weight of this compound, we are going to add the two of them. The two to find the weight of the compound. Alright, so we have a total of 24.31 plus 70.9, which is approximately equal to 90. 24.31. 95.21 gram per mole. Alright, this is the solution to this question here. Now I'm going to move it to the other side of the board to give I'm going to give a brief explanation on that percentage composition. Now, in a compound, each element in a compound has its particular quantity, or how do I put it, a particular quantity in that compound. Now we have a question here for me to show you how to explain this chapter. Alright, so they say calculate the sum of the percentage composition of magnesium and oxygen in MgNO3. Alright, so we have solution. Now, first thing to do, you have to find the formula weight of this compound, which was approximately what I did here. So we have magnesium as 24.31. We have nitrogen as 14.01. We have oxygen as 16.00. Now, magnesium here is a 1 atom. Nitrogen there is 1 atom, then oxygen there is 3. Alright, so we have this magnesium 24.31, which is for magnesium, then nitrogen 14.01. Now we are seeing a 2 in the brackets as a subscript 2 here. So this 2 is multiplying both the nitrogen and the oxygen. Alright, for the nitrogen, we are multiplying here by 2. Plus, we are having oxygen there, which was given it to us here as 16 times. These 2 multiply this 3, which is 6. Then multiply the mass of oxygen, which is yes. Now, we are having 24.31 plus 28.02 plus 48, 16. Here should be 96. Okay, now I'm going to do a sum total 0.02. Alright, we are having a total mass of 148.33 gram per mole. Alright, now we have gotten the formula weight, the weight of the compound. Now we're going to be finding the percentage of each element, then we can do the summation of what we have here, magnesium and oxygen. Alright, how do we find the percentage of magnesium, nitrogen, and oxygen? Now this is how you find the percentage of magnesium in the compound. Now what is the mass of magnesium? 24.31 over the mass of the compound, which was giving 148.33, then multiplied by 100. Alright, so here we have 33. Now we have here as 16.4 approximately, an approximate value of 16.4%. Now we have that of nitrogen as 14.01 times 2, since we are having nitrogen as n times the subscript 2 here over 148.33 times 100, which will give us, then we are having here as 18.9, an approximate value. An approximate value is in percent. Alright, here we are having oxygen as 16 times 3 times 2, which is 6, over the total mass of the compound, which is 148.33 times 100 over 1. We are having 16. Here we are having 64.7 approximately. Now, if you want to check if your calculation, when you check if your calculation is correct, you can just add everything. Once the summation gives you 100, just know your calculation is correct. Alright, now they said calculate the sum of the percentage composition of magnesium and oxygen. So what are we to do here? So we're going to be doing an addition of the percentage of magnesium and oxygen. Yeah, so what is the percentage of magnesium? We are having oxygen, so we have 16.4 plus magnesium plus oxygen, which is 64.7%. So here we have, which is equal to 81.1%. Now this is the solution to this question up here. Now you can go through it again, restart the video. If there's any way you don't understand some part, go through the video again. You will surely get where you get stuck. Alright, just go through everything, then this should be the end of today's class. Alright, I remain Benjamin. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, and drop your comments, as I always say. Alright, thank you.